Some lessons we read and forget, some talks we hear and ignore, but there are some moments that stay with us for life. Because memory is just not about words, it's about what we see, what we feel, and what we live. I don't just teach science, I create visual memories because these are the memories that never fade. This is not just a classroom, it's a lab of memories. Each experiment, reaction, and spark is a story that stays forever. I believe in the power of visuals because visual memories don't leave us, they live with us, teach with experience, create memories, and inspire forever. Thank you and have a nice day.